Shit. Ooh, that's bad. That's gonna take some bacon. Hey everybody, I went and rode Flat Creek Crossing Ranch this weekend. It's been a little bit, I don't know if you can tell, I got a cold and it's been rainy and crappy. Plus, I wanted to do the trails justice, so I'm going to go back sometime next week, but I will show you one of the phases of the Enduro. I think I'm going to enter it. I'm going to enter it Cat 1. I'm going to go back out next week sometime and pre-ride them legitly and film all of that, session a bunch of stuff. But I wanted to give you something now, so I'm going to show you stage 2, which is admittedly probably the gnarliest stage. I'm out here with Chris, who runs the Facebook group Huff Buddies that there's a ton of content creators in, and trying out this privately owned ranch. And it's supposed to be really awesome. They're having an enduro race here next month. So what are you riding, a Trek Fuel?
Yeah, it's Fuel EX8.
You like it?
Yeah. My other bike was much cheaper, so it's a big upgrade.
Yeah, so was mine. All right, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna fly. So.
Yeah, I don't plan on going terribly fast.
Drop your seat. Yeah. Oh boy. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Dude, that's wild. Holy shit. Uh-oh.
Man, I'm not even good with it. That's my fault.
Shit. Put some bacon in, let's see how it works. I already had a flat.
Oh no.
Are they gonna keep moving? Are they gonna come through and fly?
No, they're gonna stop.
All right.
I don't want them to see it.
I'm walking.
Damn it! I psyched myself out. Woo, this looks fun. Dude, I couldn't do that. It's a little too ballsy for me. Yeah.
At the same time, I'm not connected to my bike.
I know in my head you can roll it, and I know that I've rolled stuff like that in a brushy, no problem, but
Yeah.
the tree's right there on the right-hand side.
Well, I'm connected to my pedals. You're connected to the bars.
Oh, true.
Oh, yeah, right.
Here's a clip from my Instagram. I'm starting to get really comfortable being in the air. And I had to share this one. This is the most air that I've gotten to date. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure that you click thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Look for more videos from the other stages next week sometime. And as always, stay shreddy.